Hello everyone. Every new video of vocabulary, we are going to see 5 new words with its meaning and sentences. If you are new here, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a like if you enjoyed this content, and share this with your friends. You can find other videos in the playlist. Please do go and check it out there. So let's begin. Exodus is the first word. Its meaning is the mass departure of people, especially immigrants. Sentence with this word would be: there was a large exodus from the city after the earthquake struck. Let's move on to the next word. The word is palatial. It means to resemble a palace in being spacious and splendid. So a sentence with this word would be: they stayed in a palatial hotel overlooking the sea, completed with chandeliers and marble floors. Let's go to the next word. It is progeny. The meaning is a descendant or the descendants of a person, animal, or plant. Offspring, you can say. The sentence would be: the farmer proudly introduced the progeny of his prize-winning stallion. Next word is absurd. It means wildly unreasonable or illogical or ridiculous. It's absurd to think you can finish a 500-page book in 1 hour. So next word or the last word for the video would be entail. It means to involve something as a necessary and inevitable part or consequence. Sentence with this word would be: starting your own business will entail a lot of hard work and long hours. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. Please do comment which word you liked and do share the sentence of that word in the comment box, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.